My name is Meze, and I'm a lead designer and founder of Meze Audio. Just real short, our company is product design based. We do what we do because of the product design knowledge and background that I have. So this didn't start as a business initiative, it started because I really wanted to do products the way I think they should be without having to compromise while working for another company or an agency. The reason Meze Audio developed into what it is today is because I still have objects that I'm really in love with. For example, my Fender guitar is an object that, besides playing well, it's an object that draws me to it, to use it. And I wanted to create similar objects in the headphone field. Headphones that have their own life, that have magnetism and their own magic. We have a few core values. One of them is that we don't follow trends. We really don't care what the marketing trend is. We do our own style. We have a very passionate team. We make sure everybody in our team actually loves what they do. We don't just hire people who want to just do their job. We design for a long product life, so we try to make product which you cannot tell what year it's been made. So the design should be timeless and age well. And most importantly, we create as if for ourselves. So we take the most care possible. These are just the pictures of people from our team who have passions for music, but also outside music. We have two important ideas. The product design development is the top priority in our brand. We focus on the product, not on the deadlines or on the marketing side. And in terms of business philosophy, we think that as long as we're passionate about our work, we will do a good job. And if we do a good job, there will be people who will like the result, and the brand will grow naturally. So we're not having so much of a business plan as more of an approach of how to create products which they will market themselves and they will grow the brand naturally. And today we bring you the Rai Solo. So the Rai Solo is part of the Rai family. Actually, it's been in development even before the Rai Penta. So it's more than 3 years since it's in development. But Rai Penta being made in small batches and being made by CNC, it's not easy, but a bit easier to get perfect. But to get mass production products like Rai Solo to be very well assembled with high precision, it took a long time to fine-tune the development, the manufacturing process. The philosophy behind the Rai Solo and why we made it is because we want to create a product that can be the entry level, the entryway for new audiophiles into this passion. We wanted to create a product which eliminates distractions. So, for example, a lot of new products come with many features like Bluetooth. You can use it with your phone. You can travel with it. You can do sports with it. But what we wanted to do is to offer more like an oasis of experience. So I wanted the new customer to be able to dive deep into the music. There's many distractions if you use earphones with the microphone, earphones with which you connect to your phone. You will have always messages from your friends, social media, you will have emails or calls. If you have Bluetooth connectivity, it can interrupt the signal. So all these issues basically lead to an experience which is not really deep because it keeps getting interrupted, because this is how today's life is. So this product was intended specifically to take you away from all these distractions. And on purpose, we didn't introduce a microphone. And on purpose, it's just a very specialized tool. It's only for listening music. It's for you to be isolated from the world and listen to music without being distracted. So this is the concept behind it. This is the driver inside the Solo, and it uses a UPM technology, which means Unified Pistonic Motion. And as you can see here, the driver has a special structure where it's metal plated on two sides without being plated in the middle. So this and this side is conducted, and they transmit the electricity on this contact surface. What this means is that there is no need for the lead coils, the lead wires from the voice coil, which normally are glued to the membrane. So the electricity, instead of being led through these wires, it goes left and right through these metal-plated surfaces. This coating is actually a highly conductive silver alloy. So what this helps with is the fact that the movement will be perfectly pistonic. In the case of a driver with lead wires, you will have a rocking motion because mechanically it's not a perfectly balanced system. So you will have like this. So the main benefits is a lower harmonic distortion, a clearer mid-range, and a very well-defined reproduction of low frequencies. The shell is designed in structure to absorb the vibrations of the drivers. So this leads to a very dark background and also to very good imaging. This is the interior of the chassis. It's very detailed and structured in the same way to absorb the vibration. So the structure in conjunction with the material itself absorbs the vibration. The metal injection body is super strong because it's stainless steel, and it will obviously have a long product life. It's basically very hard to destroy. The surface finish is made by craftsmen by hand, so it's not machined, it's handmade. Just real quick, for who doesn't know, metal injection molding means you mix plastic powder with metal powder, you inject it, and then the part that comes out has plastic and metal in it, and then you put it in an oven, and then you sinter it, and the plastic evaporates. The shell shrinks about 10-15%, and then you get a part which is 100% metal. We have an industry standard MMCX cable with silver-plated cables that are braided. Even though it's a consumer-priced product, we try to offer a cable that you don't need to upgrade. So we think this is a cable that you can keep on using.